Aghatia Tamil movie summary. Aghatia, a struggling art director, had invested his savings in his maiden project, renting a quaint French bungalow in Puducherry. The bungalow is now rented by Royan along with his ailing grandmother, Helen. However, when the film shoot is abandoned midway, Aghatia is consumed by distress and returns to his hometown, Tiruvannamalai. His mother, Anjali, battling bone cancer, has her memory compromised by the chemotherapy. Veena, Aghatia's childhood friend and lover, proposes an innovative solution of converting the bungalow into a haunted attraction. Together, they set up the scary house, and their entrepreneurial venture soon takes off. During the renovation, they unearth an 18th century antique piano. While restoring it, they stumble upon a skeletal corpse and an 8mm film roll box. Aghatia and Veena play the film roll, which reveals the story of Siddharthan, a Siddha doctor from the 1940s. The film depicts Siddharthan's journey from France to Pondicherry, then under the tyrannical rule of Edwin Duplex, a ruthless racist who brutalized Indians. The footage also shows Siddharthan's remarkable treatment of Jacqueline Puvijhi, Edwin's sister, who had been paralyzed in an accident. As the film roll reached its end, Aghatia and Veena are left with more questions than answers. Veena begins to sense eerie occurrences within their bungalow, which is further complicated by the disappearance of a visitor, allegedly the brother of a politician, inside the scary house. The incident prompts the government to shut down their business. Aghatia, lamenting his misfortunes, stumbles upon a hidden subway within the bungalow, where he finds the missing visitor. However, to his horror, Veena, possessed by the spirit of Jacqueline Puvijhi, brutally attacks the visitor. Aghatia manages to retrieve Siddharthan's diary from the possessed Veena. The diary reveals some of Siddharthan's findings, but their exploration is cut short by the malevolent spirit of Duplex, who forcibly ejects Aghatia and Veena from the bungalow. Aghatia soon receives a call from his father, informing him that his mother's health is deteriorating. Rushing back home, Aghatia consults with a physician and discovers a photograph of Kannadi Sittar, whom he had previously witnessed but mysteriously vanished. The physician suggests that alternative medicine, specifically Siddha, might be the only solution to treat his mother's condition. Determined to uncover the truth about the bungalow's past, Aghatia confronts Royan and his grandmother, Helen. However, they provide him with the remains of Duplex, which Aghatia deems to be useless. Unbeknownst to him, Aghatia's life was blessed by Kalanginatha Sittar, who had revived him as a stillborn. His father firmly believed that Aghatia was a God-gifted child, imbued with divine blessings. That night, Aghatia has a vivid dream in which Helen guides him to the bungalow, revealing a voice cylinder as their next clue, which he had previously dismissed as useless. Aghatia and Veena play the voice cylinder, uncovering that Duplex, despite his racist nature, had feigned friendship with Siddharthan to exploit his knowledge of medicinal formulas. Helen, Edwin's wife, exposes the truth that her husband had murdered Siddharthan, framing him as a betrayer to conceal his treachery. Edwin's brutality knew no bounds. He had also killed Nanjilan, a freedom fighter, and his family, eliminating any potential threats to his power. Furthermore, he confiscated Siddharthan's formulas from Jacqueline and subsequently murdered her, but Helen narrowly escaped with her life. The villagers, outraged by Siddharthan's unjust murder, attacked Edwin's bungalow. Edwin fled to the subway, where he had hidden the medicinal formulas in his grave, specially designed for immortal life. He instructed his accountant-cum-assistant, Seshadri, to cover the grave and facilitate his escape once the attackers dispersed. Seshadri was killed by the mob, and Edwin, trapped in his own grave, succumbed to suffocation. Determined to rescue the bone cancer cure from Edwin Duplex's grave, Aghatia rushes to the bungalow. However, he is met with resistance from the evil forces protecting the bungalow. Just then, Kannadi Sittar appears, revealing that the 8 solar system planets were about to align, channeling immense power to the earth and temporarily subduing the evil forces. Seizing this opportunity, Aghatia, Veena, and Shankar enter the bungalow, navigating obstacles to retrieve the medicinal formulas. They also managed to burn Edwin's corpse, but the 11-minute window of good energy had expired, trapping them inside. As Edwin's spirit attacks, Siddharthan's spirit intervenes, aiding Aghatia. Siddharthan reveals that Aghatia is the reincarnation of Nanjalan, and the spirits of Siddharthan and Nanjalan join forces with Aghatia, ultimately vanquishing Edwin's evil spirit. With the dark energy dispelled, the trapped spirits of Siddharthan and Jacqueline finally reunite to ascend together. Months later, Anjali is seen recovering from her illness, thanks to the Siddha medicines formulated by Siddharthan. Aghatia reflects that while his mother's memory might not fully recover, he is willing to go to any lengths to save her.